Grabe,
Lalo ka
nakakakilig. Guys, Owa is the four-time
Uy.
defending champion, tanghala ng kampiyon season 2 GMA 7.
Ay, natsambahan
diba?
lang daw. Chamba lang yun, ito naman.
Eh, hindi yung
Natsyamba
chamba.
lang daw.
Gusto ko din tuloy chamba. Kung chamba lang ngayon, priority na. Wala, ang ganda ng kaya ko.
Diyos ko.
Yes.
Man, ano lang yun. Malakas lang ang fighting spirit.
Ano naman talaga dapat, everything that we do, we have to give our best shot. Believe in yourself and you'll make it.
Actually.
And I'm proud of you. Again, before I leave this
Uy,
match,
salamat.
thank you so much for accepting the invitation and ignore those bashers. Just keep on doing you. Keep
Yes.
spreading positivity, and I can sense that you're a really nice person. Have a good day.
Uy, masama talaga ugali ko. Ah, sorry.
Sige. Wala, sige, ba't siya nagre-rematch? Gusto ko
Hala, ba't
kanya kanta.
nag-rematch?
Uy, hindi. One match lang po
Uy.
talaga ako. And I did a rematch para naman,
Oo.
di ba, maano ko si Awa. Thank you, Awa. Ingat ka dyan eh.
Thank you,
Have a good
Day.
day.
O, kumain
Thank
ka
you,
ng
thank
marami
you.
ha. Yan din ang wish ko sa'yo. Kumain ka ng marami. PK soon.